Hi class, so for this blog post I'm going to talk about obviousness and how this kind of relates to patents in general and also to our class. And I think I'll start by going back to the basics, which is the 5 basic requirements of patentability. And just to go through them like list-wise, number 1 is subject matter requirements. Number 2 is written description or enablement. Number 3 is utility or usefulness. Number 4 is novelty or newness, and then number 5 is non-obviousness. And today I really want to focus on number 5, which is non-obviousness, because I want to make sure everyone has a very clear understanding of what non-obviousness means and why it's important to our class and also to patents in general. So let's start by first comparing it to the novelty requirement. I think novelty looks to a single piece of prior art, while non-obviousness looks to multiple pieces of art. While also looking at what novel means. Novel means new, and non-obvious means that a person is having ordinary skills and the arts wouldn't have easily thought of it given the plurality of prior art. This makes the non-obviousness requirement a little more complicated than the novelty requirement, given that the person has to understand more aspects of a prior patent to make this patent. And something interesting I learned was that to have a stronger argument against patentability is more credible to show obviousness with 2 pieces of prior art than needing to use 15 pieces of prior art. And this kind of just means that the more prior art references an examiner needs to cite in order to prove that a claim is obvious, the weaker her argument is against patentability. So I hope this kind of helped you guys understand what non-obviousness means, kind of relating it to novelty and going off from there. And please let me know if you have any other questions.